friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making air fryer donut holes from Pillsbury canned biscuits. So what we need is canned biscuits, and the toppings, for the toppings I'm going to use butter, sugar, and cinnamon. So let's open a can of biscuits. And I'm just going to roll them into little balls. So I'm going to divide each biscuit into 3 parts and make a roll ball from each part. So now let's put these balls in the air fryer. So take out the air fryer basket and put the biscuit balls in the air fryer. So just make sure you're not touching. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at them, they look amazing. These donut holes have gotten so big and golden brown. It looks so good. So now I'm going to take them out of the air fryer and put them on a plate. And next I'm going to dip them in melted butter and cinnamon and sugar. So I already melted 2 tablespoons of butter. I've done it while they were cooking in the air fryer. So on one plate I'm going to mix a 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And now I'm going to pour melted butter in another plate. So I'm going to dip these donut holes in the melted butter and then cinnamon and sugar. So just take them from the plate and put them in butter. And just kind of roll them around to coat with melted butter. And now move them to cinnamon sugar and do the same, just roll them around in cinnamon sugar. And once they're coated to your liking, let's put them back on a plate. Perfect. Now look at these cinnamon sugar donut holes. They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. And they're super soft inside with perfect texture. Look at that, tender, flaky. Amazing. Now let's try it. They taste amazing. You're going to love them. Now for the pre-printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!